गोवर्धन नाथ की जय, वल्लभाधीश की जय, मुसाई जी परम दयाल की जय, श्याम सुंदर श्री यमुने महारानी की जय। खुला खुला दर्शन द्वार, खुला खुला दर्शन द्वार, झांकी तेरी करताला, झांकी तेरी करताला, वैष्णवोनी भीड़ पार, वैष्णवोनी भीड़ पार, हर के हयु अपरंपार, हर के हयु अपरंपार, आलाया विद्याधार, आलाया विद्याधार, ब्रजवासी हैया नोहार, ब्रजवासी हैया नोहार, बरसाए अमृतनी धार, बरसाए अमृतनी धार, दर्शन करवा वारंवार, दर्शन करवा वारंवार, दर्शन मंगला प्यारा थाय, दर्शन मंगला प्यारा थाय, दौड़ी दौड़ी वैष्णव जाय, दौड़ी दौड़ी वैष्णव जाय। श्रीनाथ जी में खम्मा रे खम्मा, मारा मेवाड़ना महाराजा ने खम्मा रे खम्मा, हे धनी रे खम्मा तुमने जाजी रे खम्मा, हे धनी रे खम्मा तुमने जाजी रे खम्मा, ब्रजवाला रे श्रीनाथ जी ने खम्मा रे खम्मा, तारा नाम ने रे खम्मा, श्रीजी धाम ने रे खम्मा, तारा नाम ने रे खम्मा, श्रीजी धाम ने रे खम्मा, काला रंकार मीठा खम्मा रे खम्मा, ब्रजवाला श्रीनाथ जी ने खम्मा रे खम्मा, दर्शन मंगला मां झांकी श्रृंगार जी मां, दर्शन मंगला मां झांकी श्रृंगार जी मां, रूप राज भोगे रूड़ा तारा खम्मा रे खम्मा, ब्रजवाला श्रीनाथ जी ने खम्मा रे खम्मा, बाग मेवाड़ी ने गुंजा माला जी ने, बाग मेवाड़ी ने गुंजा माला जी ने, धारकार ने खम्मा रे खम्मा, ब्रजवाला श्रीनाथ जी ने खम्मा रे खम्मा, कुंडल झमका रानी कंकन रंका रानी, कुंडल झमका रानी कंकन रंका रानी, चंदनी पूर्णा झंकार ने खम्मा रे खम्मा, ब्रजवाला श्रीनाथ जी ने खम्मा रे खम्मा। बोलो श्री गिरिराज धर्म की जय, गोवर्धन नाथ की जय, वल्लभाधीश की जय, मुसाई जी परम दयाल की यमुने महारानी की जय।
Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome you once again to our live Facebook bhajan session, 8 p.m. Kenya time. Today is Wednesday, 1st of July. Today is our last day of our 96 days non-stop bhajan session daily. Today the Utsav we have is Srinathji Utsav. Today is also Ekadashi. And as you can all see, we are celebrating Ankut today as well. Yesterday we had Girirajji Utsav, and you also Thakurji from the Girirajji Utsav. So obviously today we are offering Ankut to Sri Thakurji. This Ankut has been offered with samagri from Vaishnavas all over, from Kisumu. Vaishnavas have brought the samagri here, and that's how we are doing the Ankut today. Our Thakurji is the Ramta Thakurji. However, today if you look at it, it's Sakshat Thakurji has come here today. Before I talk about our sponsors, you can also see our Mukhya ji from the Haveli here. Today's the whole day, the decor, the Sajawat, Sri Thakurji, and the Bhog Dharman, the Ankut has been done by our Mukhya ji. So thank you very much, Mukhya ji, for today's seva. Starting off today's bhajan session, we have 20 hosts. I will very quickly go through the names. Shilaben and Jagdipbhai Morparia. Jagdipbhai is the chairman of our Haveli, Shri Govardhan Nathji Haveli Kisumu. Second host, Jayantilalbai Senani Parivar. They are dedicating this bhajan session in the loving memory of late Shardaben Jayantilalbai Senani, who left us 1 month ago. Our third host, Kishanbhai and Kevalbhai Chandarana from UK. They have dedicated today's bhajan session to celebrate the wedding anniversary of their parents, Niranjanbhai and Nilamben Chandarana. Some time ago, Nilamben had texted me and she told me that, Sanjay bhai, this kirtan that you sung, Mere Giri Govardhan Nath, unfortunately that day, the network was not very good. So if you can sing it again. And I thought, what best day to sing this on our last day. So Nilamben, if you are watching, this kirtan will go for you. Fourth host, Bharatbhai and Nishaben Lakhani Parivar from Nairobi. Fifth host, Anilbhai and Anilaben Raitata Parivar. Anilbhai is our trustee at our Haveli. Our sixth host, Isha Dodia. Thank you, Isha, for continuously hosting our bhajan sessions. Our seventh, like I mentioned yesterday, the youngest host so far, Shivan Karya from UK. Shivan is the grandson of our trustee Ashwinbhai Amlani and Dakshaben Amlani. Our eighth host, Ghanshyambai and Shobnaben Raitata Parivar. Ninth host, Induben Amritlalbai Majithia Parivar from UK. 10th host, Ek Vaishnav Parivar from Australia. 11th host, late Ashwinbhai Haribhai Patel Parivar. 12th host, Ek Vaishnav Parivar from UK. 13th, late Sureshbhai Chamnadas Raja and Mrs. Jyotsnaben Raja Parivar. 14th host, late Geetaben Seleshbhai Chotai, that's our sister. 15th host, late Jayaben Damjibai Mandavya, that's my mother. 16th host, Atulbhai and Kalpnaben Soda Parivar from Milton Keynes, UK. It's my brother-in-law. 17th, Dineshbhai and Rajubai Ganatra Parivar. 18th, Bhavnaben Vadera and Ratnaben Vadera from the UK. 19th, Ek Vaishnav Parivar. And last but not the least, I have intentionally taken this name last because they asked me to do so. Our first host was Pareshbhai and Smitaben Senani, and today our last host is also Radhika, Smitaben and Paresh Bhai Sedani Parivar. Thank you all very much for hosting all our bhajan sessions on all these 96 days. Since today is our last day, we thought we'd like to just say a few words. If you can please bear with us. Everyone always says, bring Preeti on the mic. So today we've decided to keep her on the mic for a long time so you all can hear her. Just a few words, our appreciation, because we won't get another chance to do this. After that, we will start our bhajan session just like normal. And today we will end this session with Ashro and finally Aarti, which our own Mukhiaji will do. I can't promise you that I'll finish at 9 o'clock today, so please bear with us and do stay with us. So over to you, Preeti.
Jai Shri Krishna to everybody. It has been amazing sharing this last 3 months with all of you. This all started on the 28th of March 2020 when our elder daughter Nikita called Sanjay and said, do just one bhajan daily during these days when COVID-19 hit everyone and only prayers would work for all. As soon as Pavita came here, she joined us and we began the first session with non-stop Shri Hanuman Chalisa Path. That's when all started, and encouragement from Satish Bhai and Nitaben Payani made this all happen. Thank you both. Immediately we started getting hosts for each bhajan session, and to mention our first host for our first session was Mataji's Garba and was hosted by Paresh Bhai and Smitaben Sedani, which also inspired us a great deal. After that, it was actually a non-stop uphill ride and we had no idea that we have done 96 days already. All this is never possible without the help and support from several people, which I believe we should mention today. Firstly, we thank you all for watching these bhajan sessions and sharing our videos, not forgetting the lovely messages live and afterwards. Without you all, this would never have worked. Hosting these sessions and supporting was a great help, and all the seva went to both the Haveli and the Jalaram Mandir Kisumu.
Firstly, I'd like to appreciate and thank Dilan Bhai Patel, who has selflessly gone out of his way all these days to do all the decor and the sajawat. And Dilan Bhai, if you are hearing us, please, this is not the end of our bhajan session. This is the end of our non-stop 96 days. We are still carrying on for a few more days. Thank you, Dilan Bhai, for your seva. Niral Patel, who works with us at Lake Printers, she has always, as soon as I go to the office and I send her a bhajan, she will write all the lyrics and look for new bhajans for us. So Niral, thank you very much. How can we forget to thank our own Mukhiaji for all the sajawat, and especially today is purely his day. He's done everything from the beginning to the end. All those who gave us murtis and decoration items during the bhajan sessions, thank you very much. We really appreciate. A very special mention to Nishit Bhai and Komal Ben for keeping all the donations and record in place. People send us the funds, they transfer the amounts, but there is one person, or rather I would say one couple, that would have to go through the process of collecting the money, making phone calls, banking, making receipts, and making sure the receipts have been sent over to the donors. So thank you Nishit Bhai and Komal Ben for that. Let's share a few lines from the messages people have sent us. These are just a handful of messages, but I think it's interesting. Just hear what we get from some of you.
Truly, the messages that we have been getting on our inbox has been very inspiring and very emotional. Just a few lines from some of them. Someone said, I actually have tears when we hear your bhajans. Another one said, we have to go for a walk, but we take our phones and watch you live. One said, I'm not worried about the time difference in Sydney. I wait for 8 PM Kenya time and watch live, even if it's in the middle of the night. One said, you should watch my husband get up and dance in some of the kirtans. Others said, thanks to COVID-19, and then we passed time watching your live sessions and now it's a habit. Someone said yesterday that I work from home and my parents listen to your bhajans and I keep humming them, so I leave my work and watch the bhajans. I could go on and on, but in short, I just want to say that we feel so blessed to be a part of these bhajan sessions, and right now, if we have to think of doing another non-stop 96 days, it would be a scary thought. Yet, these days passed so fast and we have enjoyed every moment of this. I'm not saying all this for the compliments, but I thought I should share this with you because our family is blessed with this 96 days of bhajans. And when I say family, we don't mean the four of us. This family goes beyond count. You all have been like our little family, and some of you have joined us recently, but it feels like you started this journey with us. Thank you all for giving us this 1 hour of your day and always praising and encouraging us. I think we have said too much already. Please do sit back and enjoy the darshans and the bhajans. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
I'm sure you all must be satisfied by now. Whatever Preeti said was as good as one bhajan, so she's already sung her part. So without wasting any more time, please enjoy the darshans, as Preeti will be sharing the videos, close-ups and all. We have set a few bhajans for you. We'll look at the timings as well, and let's take it from there. We'll start with the Pratna.
Shri Krishnaya Namaha, Shri Krishnaya Namaha, Shri Krishnaya Namaha, Shri Gopijan Vallabhaya Namaha, Shri Madacharya Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha, Shri Gosai Param Dayalave Namaha, Shri Gurave Mukum karoti vachalam panganam dayate girim yat kripatamaham vande Shrimad Vallabhanandanam
Shri Govardhan Nath Padayugalam Hayyangavi Priyam
Nityam Shri Madhuradipam Sukhakaram Shri Vetale Shamada
Shrimad Dwarvati Shri Gokulapati Shri Gokule Shrimad Vallabha Vitthalo Giridharam Govindara Vidham
Shrimad Balaka Krishna Gokulapati Natam Raghu Namstata
Evam Shri Adhunayakam Tilaghanam Shamam Chata Tvanshacha
Kalindim Swaguru Miri Guru Viho Siyam Prabhu Saraswati Siyam Prabhu Saraswati
Bolo Shri Govardhan Nath ki Shyam Sundar Shri Amne Maharani ki Shri Giriraj Dharan ki Shri Vallabhadhi श्री बाल कृष्ण लाल की, श्री कसाई जी परम दयाल की जय। आज के उत्सव की जय।
So we'll go to our first bhajan. Shriji Baba e Krupa Kari Tyare, Angan Afsar Avyo Re.
श्रीजी पधार्या श्री यमुना पधार्या, श्रीजी पधार्या श्री यमुना पधार्या, श्री महाप्रभु जी पधार्या रे, श्री महाप्रभु जी पधार्या रे। श्रीजी बाबाए कृपा करी करे, आगने अवसर आव्यो रे।
श्रीजी बाबाए कृपा करी करे, आंगणे अवसर आव्यो रे।
श्रीजी पधार्या श्री यमुना पधार्या,
ओ श्रीजी पधार्या श्री यमुना पधार्या,
श्री महाप्रभु जी पधार्या रे।
प्रभु जी पधार्या रे।
श्रीजी बाबाए कृपा करी करे,
हे आंगणे अवसर आव्यो रे।
सोना सूरज आज उगी उगनिए,
सोना सूरज आज उगियो घड़िए,
पधार्या पुष्टि अधारा रे।
पधार्या पुष्टि अधारा रे।
हई हरक नाम आय सहेली,
हई हरक नाम आए सहेली,
धन्य भाग हमारा रे।
माला धन्य भाग हमारा रे।
श्रीजी बाबाए कृपा करी करे,
हे आंगणे अवसर आव्यो रे।
आंगनवाड़ी स्वस्थ कराव्यो,
हे आंगणवाड़ी स्वस्थ कराव्यो,
तोरणिया बंधाव्या रे।
तोरणिया बंधाव्या रे। हे कुम कुम नारोड़ा चौक पुराव्या, हे फुलड़ा तो मेरा प्यारे। सर आव्यो रे। श्री जी निरखिने मारी आंखों हर खाए, हे वाला मंगल गीत गवाए रे। हे झांझ मृदंग ने बाजे शरणाए, वाला रंग तेरा सिरमाड़ रे। सर आव्यो रे। हो हर खातो गेलो बनीने, हे वाला कोने के बाजावे रे। जा जा मारी नजर पड़े ना, हे वाला श्रीनाथ जी देखाए रे।
that was that was our first bhajan, bringing back Preeti on the mic.
इंद्र पूजा बंद करवा के जब गोवर्धन पूजा शुरू करायो, तब कृष्ण की ये बात सुन देवराज इंद्र बहुत खिंचायो। कृष्ण रूप में स्वयं विष्णु पधारे धरा पे, ये बात इंद्र नहीं जान पायो। भारी वर्षा करवा के इंद्र ने व्रज में जब हाहाकार मचायो, तब व्रजवासियों को लिए शरण में और कृष्ण ने गोवर्धन पर्वत उठायो। 7 दिन छोटी उंगली पे जब गोवर्धन को धारण किया, तब वो नंद को छोड़ो गिरधारी कहायो। व्रजवासियों ने की गोवर्धन पूजा और अन्नकूट को भोग लगायो। कृष्ण कृपा पाकर एक साधारण पर्वत गिरिराज गोवर्धन महाराज कहायो। श्री कृष्ण ये देवराज इंद्रનો અભિમાન તોડવા ગોવર્ધન પર્વતને પોતાની નાની આંગળી પર 7 દિવસ ધારણ કરીને વ્રજવાસીઓની રક્ષા કરી અને સમજાવ્યું કે ગોવર્ધન પર્વત વાદળોને રોકીને વ્રજની ધરતી પર વર્ષા કરાવે છે, એ આપણી ગાયોનું ભરણ પોષણ કરે છે, તો વ્રજવાસીઓ શા માટે ઇન્દ્રની પૂજા કરવી જોઈએ? આમ ભગવાન કૃષ્ણએ गोवर्धन पर्वतનો મહિમા સમજાવી गोवर्धन पूजा અને अन्नकूट उत्सव શરૂ કરાવ્યો।
Going to our next bhajan. Since Thakurji is already at home, so we will sing Aje Thakurji Padharya Mare Angane.
हे आजे ठाकुर जी पधार्या मारे आंगणी,
हे आजे ठाकुर जी पधार्या मारे आंगणी,
हे आजे ठाकुर जी पधार्या मारे आंगणी,
आजे ठाकुर जी पधार्या मारे आंगणी।
के सखी धूम मचाओ, सखी धूम मचाओ मारे आंगणी,
सखी धूम मचाओ, सखी धूम मचाओ मारे आंगणी।
हे आजे लालन जी पधार्या मारे आंगणी,
हे आजे लालन जी पधार्या मारे आंगणी।
ओ जीरे आजे लालन जी पधार्या मारे आंगणी,
हे आजे लालन जी पधार्या मारे आंगणी।
के सखी मंगल गीत गाओ, सखी मंगल गीत गाओ मारे आंगणी,
हे सखी मंगल गीत गाओ, सखी मंगल गीत गाओ मारे आंगणी।
के मारो घर गोकुल वनरावन छे,
मारो घर गोकुल वनरावन
ओ जीरे मारो घर गोकुल वनरावन छे।
मारो घर गोकुल वनरावन छे।
के वाला वासलड़ी वगाड़ो, वाला वासलड़ी वगाड़ो मारे आंगणी,
हे वाला वासड़ी वगाड़ो, वाला वासड़ी वगाड़ो मारे आंगणी।
हे मैं तो सोड़ शिंगारे वाला सजिया छे,
तो सोर श्रृंगार वाला सजिया छे।
हे मैं तो सोड़ शिंगारे वाला सजिया छे।
तो सोर श्रृंगार वाला सजिया छे।
हे हूँ तो नाचू तारे काज, हूँ तो नाचू तारे काज मारे आंगणी,
तो नाचो तारे काज, तो नाचो तारे काज मारे आंगणी।
के मारे रास वाला साथे रंबवा छे,
मारे रास वाला सते रंगवा छे।
के मारे रास वाला साथे रंबवा छे।
मारे रास वाला सते रंगवा छे।
के ढोली ढोल बगाड़ो, ढोली ढोल बगाड़ो मारे आंगणी,
ढोली ढोल बगाड़ो, ढोली ढोल बगाड़ो मारे आंगणी।
के मैं तो रुदियानो झूलो गीतो छे,
रुदियानो झूलो गीतो
ओ छीने में तो रुदियानो झूलो गीतो छे।
तो रुदियानो झूलो गीतो छे।
हे वाला प्रेम थी झूलो, वाला प्रेम थी झूलो मारे आंगणी,
वाला प्रेम थी झूलो, वाला प्रेम थी झूलो मारे आंगणी।
मारे हैये हरकनी हेरी छे,
मारे हैये हरकनी हेरी छे।
के मारे हैये हरकनी हेरी छे।
मारे हैये हरकनी हेरी छे।
के आज शुभ दिन आव्यो, आज शुभ दिन आव्यो मारे आंगणी,
आज शुभ दिन आयो, आज शुभ दिन आयो
के आज शुभ दिन आव्यो, आज शुभ दिन आव्यो मारे आंगणिए, आज शुभ दिन आव्यो, आज शुभ दिन आव्यो मारे आंगणिए।
अति कृपाला दीन दयाला श्री जी बाबा चौगाला, महान मारा गिरवर तारा मनमोहन मुरली वाला। और पीछे मागत माते जन जन जनकार, ओ कमरनी मारा करवा कन कर मुरली नो सुर रनकार।
हे रसिकर सारा मन हर नारा, कृपा करनारा गिरधारा, रे भक्तो न प्यारा तारण हारा, मैं बलिहारी गिरधारा रे अजय मैं बलिहारी गिरधारा रे अजय मैं बलिहारी।
Going to our next version. मारे घेर वेला वेला आवो, ओ श्री जी बाबा।
गोकुल ना गोवार संगे आव जोड़ी लो, राधा जी ने सते तमे लाभ जोड़ी लो। मारे घेर वेला वेला आवो, हो श्री जी बाबा घर मारो गोकुल बनावो रे लो।
हे मारे घेर वेला वेला आवो, हो श्री जी बाबा घर मारो गोकुल बनावो रे लो।
ओ आंगणे उत्सव बनी आवो, हो श्री जी बाबा प्रेम धरीनी पधारो रे लो।
हे आंगणिए उत्सव बनी आवो, हो श्री जी बाबा प्रेम धरीने पधारो रे लो।
ओ गोकुल ना गोवार संगे आव जोड़ी लो, राधा जी ने सते तमे लाभ जोड़ी लो।
हे गोकुल ना गोवार संगे आव जोड़े लो, राधा जी के साथे तमे लाभ जोड़े लो।
ओ तन मन मा प्रीतम तने बदनाम छोड़ी लो, प्रेम नास किया बेचाव छोड़ी लो।
हे तन मन मा प्रीतम तमे बदराव छोड़े लो, प्रेम नासनिया पीछाव छोड़े लो।
ओ कुमर को न भगली पधारो, हो श्री जी बाबा प्रेम धरीनी पधारो रे लो।
हे मारे घेर वेला वेला हो, श्री जी बाबा घर मारो गोकुल बनावो रे लो।
ओ साथिया पुरानो मारे आंगने रे लो, तोरनिया बंदा मोरोड़ा मार लिए रे लो।
हे साथिया पुराओ मारे आंगणे रे लो, तोरड़िया बंदा वो रोड़ा मारनिए रे लो।
ओ भोजनिया बिन सावा छप्पन भोग नारी लो, कान 50 तना मोरोड़ी एल चीनी लो।
हे भोजनिया पिरसाओ 56 भोग नारे लो, पान 50 धराओ रोड़ी एल चीरे बनावो हो श्री जी बाबा घर मारो गोकुल बनावो रे लो
रोकाई चाचो श्री जी मर कर रात रे लो
कोई चाचो श्री जी मर कर रात रे लो वाला मीठी मीठी कर शुरुआत रे लो गोकुल मन मन रावण बनाव छोरे लो हृदय कमल यमुना जी पधराव छोरे लो So going to our next bhajan, remembering Nilamben Chandarana. Not sure if she's watching. I'm sure she will. She actually messaged me that she will be online. So this is coming for you. Meri Giri Govardhananath, tu itna na kariyo shringar, najar tore lag jayegi. I think this kirtan is absolutely appropriate for today's event because the shringar our Mukhya ji has done today, surely najar tore lag jayegi. नजर तो है लग जाएगी, नजर तो है लग जाएगी, हो प्यारे नजर तो है लग जाएगी।
ओ तेरी सूरतिया पे मन मोरा अटका,
तेरी सूरतिया पे मन मोरा अटका,
तेरी सूरतिया पे मन मोरा अटका,
तेरी सूरतिया पे मन मोरा अटका।
प्यारा लगे तेरा पीला
ओ प्यारा लागे तेरा पीला पटका
नजर तो लग जाएगी,
हाँ प्यारे नजर तो है लग जाएगी।
तेरी मुरलिया पे मन मोरा
ओ तेरी मुरलिया पे मन मोरा अटका,
तेरी मुरलिया पे मन मोरा अटका,
तेरी मुरलिया पे मन मोरा अटका।
प्यारा लगे तेरा लीला पटका,
ओ प्यारा लागे तेरा लीला पटका।
तेरे घूंघट वाले बाल तो इतना रंग श्रृंगार, नजर तो लग जाएगी,
हे प्यारे
नजर तो लग जाएगी,
हाँ प्यारे नजर तो है लग जाएगी।
तेरी कमरिया पे मन मोरा
ओ तेरी कमरिया पे मन मोरा अटका,
तेरी कमरिया पे मन मोरा
ओ
अटका,
तेरी कमरिया पे मन मोरा अटका।
प्यारा लगे तेरा काला
ओ
पटका,
प्यारा लगे तेरा काला पटका,
प्यारा लगे तेरा काला
ओ
पटका,
प्यारा लगे तेरा काला पटका।
तेरी तेरी मेरी जान, तेरी तेरी मेरी जान, तू इतना ना करियो श्रृंगार, नजर तो लग जाएगी,
हाँ प्यारे
नजर तो लग जाएगी,
हाँ प्यारे नजर तो है लग जाएगी।
मेरी गिरी गोवर्धन नाथ, तू इतना ना करियो श्रृंगार, नजर तो लग जाएगी,
ओ प्यारे
नजर तो लग
हाँ
जाएगी,
प्यारे नजर तो है लग जाएगी। Going to our next bhajan. Couple more. I hope you guys are all enjoying this bhajan session. This is a very, very special session for us. Ankur Darshan, our last day for the non-stop 96 days bhajan session. And I sincerely want to thank you all for sending us messages and encouraging us to carry on with this bhajan session. Truly, we must tell you that like so many people send me messages, even we don't know what we will do with ourselves at 8 p.m. every day. However, we picked 2 days for now. So thank you all again for inspiring us to do this. This one is going for Sandhya Ben Gandecha. I'm not sure, is she watching, Sandhya Ben? So Sandhya Ben, this is especially for you. Mara Mevar Na Srinath, Kagar Lakhyo Tamare Naam.
श्रीनाथ कागर लख्यो तुम्हारे नाम, कागर लख्यो तुम्हारे नाम, कागर वांचने वेला आवजो, हो मारो कागर वांचने वेला आवजो।
तेरे मारा में वरना श्रीनाथ रात कागड़ लख्यो तमारे नाम, कागड़ लख्यो तमारे नाम, कागड़ वाचीने वेलावजो, हो मारो कागड़ वाचीने वेलावजो।
के मारी मूड़ी श्रीनाथ जीनो नाम छे,
के मारी मूड़ी श्रीनाथ जीनु नाम छे,
के मारे बीजो नदी कया काम रे,
अरे मारे बीचो नथी कई काम रे।
મને તારો છે આધાર, મને લેજે તું સંભાળ, મને લેજે તું સંભાળ, કાગળ વાંચીને વેલા આવજો,
ओ मारो कागड़ वाचीने वेलावजो।
હે ભવસાગર માનવ અટવાય છે,
के भव सागर मानव अठवाय छे,
હે આ તો કાંઠે આવીને અથડાય છે,
आ तो कांठे आवीने अथड़ाय छे।
મારી નાવડીના તાર તુझे સોના તારનહાર, તુझे સોના તારનહાર, કાગળ વાંચીને વેલા આવજો,
रे मारो कागड़ वाचीने वेलावजो।
કે હું તો જન્મોથી જોવો તારી વાતડી,
आहू तो जन्मोथी जोवो तारी वात रे,
તમારા દર્શનથી ઠરે મારી આંખડી,
तमारा दर्शन थी थारे मारी आँखड़ी।
सुनजो अंदर केरो नाद, वैष्णव परे तुमने साथ, वैष्णव परे तुमने साथ, कागड़ वांचीने वेला आवजो,
ओ मारो कागड़ वाचीने वेलावजो।
के मैं तो मार्ग सोध्यो छे तारा नामनो,
के मैं तो मार्ग सोध्यो छे तारा नामनो,
હું તો તરસી રહ્યો છું તારા પ્રેમનો,
अरे हूँ तो तरसी रह्यो छो तारा प्रेमनो।
મારે કરવા જમના પાન, વલ્લભ પકડજો મારો હાથ, વલ્લભ પકડજો મારો હાથ,
कागड़ वाचीने वेलावजो, रे मारो कागड़ वाचीने वेलावजो।
હે મારા મેવરના શ્રીનાથ, કાગળ લખ્યો તમારે નામ, કાગળ લખ્યો તમારે નામ, કાગળ વાંચીને વેલા આવજો,
हे मारो कागड़ वाचीने वेलावजो,
હો
मारो कागड़ वाचीने
વેલા આવજો.
So we're going to our next bhajan. Of course, Priti will say a few lines for this bhajan, but I'd just like to take this opportunity. We have done our thanks, but our very, very special thanks to our elder daughter, Nikita, who is always talking to us, guiding us, telling us how to do the decor and involved. It's very, very unfortunate that she's not with us, but she's with us in spirits. And Nikita, I must say, we really, really miss you these days, these 96 days. Also, I must thank my mother-in-law, Induben Soda, who is never in the picture, but every time we are recording these bhajan sessions, she's always with us, again as an elder, always guiding us. My father, Damjibai Mandavia, is also with us always in this residence. Special thanks to Priti, my wife. If you all don't know, she's wearing red today, so that's Priti. She's been taking all the blows, I should say, and different moods,
Let me tell you, this bhajan session, once again, not fetching for any compliments, but going live for 96 days, practicing preparations for the next day. And then when it's 5 minutes to 8, because we always want to start at 8 sharp, that's where the panic starts, because, either the thanks, I must say, to Bhavita, who actually, I started this bhajan session without her, because she was in the quarantine in Nairobi. But when the bhajan session started, I lost all my credits, because everybody was complimenting me the first few days, and then it all moved on to Bhavita. Well, I'm very, very happy that it did, because we are very, very proud of her. And not again bragging about this, but children of this age nowadays would not spend 4 hours a day practicing, but they spend most of their times on the mobile. Thank you, Bhavita, for spending time with me and listening to me all the time till midnight every day. Anyway, I just had to say that. So, Priti, over to you.
શ્રી કૃષ્ણ, શ્રીનાથજી પ્રભુ, જગદીશનું સ્તુતિ ગાન આજના યુગમાં હર કોઈના મુખારવિંદ ઉપર શા માટે? આ યક્ષ પ્રશ્નનો ઉત્તર છે કે તમારું સ્મિત હવે આંસુથી ભીનું થઈ રહ્યું છે. પૂરતા સૂર્યપ્રકાશમાં તમને ધુમ્મસ્યા દ્રશ્યો દેખાય છે અને ત્યારે મનના જંગલમાં એક ખૂણામાં કાળા કાળા ચોળની તમને મોહિની લાગી રહી છે. વૃંદાવનમાં તમારા ઉદ્વેગને શાંત કરવા સક્ષમ હોય એવો એક જ કાન છે અને એ જળ એટલે આપણો કાળિયો કાન. શ્યામ રંગ સમીપે નચાવો એમ કહેતા કહેતા ક્યારે આપણે શ્યામમય થઈ જાય છે એ આપણને ખબર પણ નથી પડતી. અને એટલે તો એ કાળા કાનની મોહિની મને તમને સૌને લાગી રહી છે. કાળા કાળા ચોળની મને આપણને મોહિની લાગી છે.
सुंदर रूपनी मोहिनी लागी रे.
ओ जगतना रूपनी मोहिनी लागी रे.
हे जगतना रूपनी मोहिनी लागी रे.
काड़ा काड़ा चोरनी मोहिनी लागी रे.
हे काड़ा काड़ा चोरनी मोहिनी लागी रे.
ओ दूर में मन देश चित चोर वसी रे. निरखी निरखी जोने मारो मनडो हसे रे. चित्रनाए चोरनी मोहिनी लागी रे.
हे चित्रनाए चोरनी मोहिनी लागी रे.
काड़ा काड़ा ओ काड़ा काड़ा चोरनी मोहिनी लागी रे.
हे काड़ा काड़ा चोरनी मोहिनी लागी रे.
ओ संसार में माया जाई हो तो ताकी रे. सापरे शब्द मरी कितनी बाकी रे. मनडाना मोरनी मोहिनी लागी रे.
मनडानाए मोरनी मोहिनी लागी रे.
काड़ा काड़ा ओ काड़ा काड़ा चोरनी मोहिनी लागी रे.
हे श्याम सुंदर रूपनी मोहिनी लागी रे.
ओ स्वर में तारी छवि किलो बजने वाला रे. कृष्ण नाम धारे हो जग माला
वासनी गहने घोर चोने भी लगे रे
कारा कारा ओ कारा कारा छोड़नी मोहिनी लागे रे
श्याम सुंदर भूपनी मोहिनी लागे रे
ओ जगतना भूपनी मोहिनी लागे रे
जगतना भूपनी मोहिनी लागे रे
कारा कारा छोड़नी मोहिनी लागे रे
श्याम सुंदर रूपनी मोहिनी लागे रे
ओ कारा कारा छोड़नी मोहिनी लागे रे श्याम सुंदर रूपनी मोहिनी लागे रे
So, after a lot of debate and discussions in our family right now, we've decided that this will be our last bhajan. We don't want to pull you all for a long time. We still need to do ashro, and then we still need to do arti. So, singing the last one for you, Darshan Dejone Wala Srinath Ji, and appropriately this would be nice to be the last one. ओ दर्शन दे जोने वाला दर्शन दे जोने वाला श्रीनाथ जी दर्शन दे जोने वाला श्रीनाथ जी वैष्णव भाचे तमद्वार ओ वाला श्रीनाथ जी वाला श्रीनाथ जी दर्शन दे जोने वाला श्रीनाथ जी
दर्शन दे जोने वाला श्रीनाथ
वैष्णव बाचे तमद्वार
ओ वाला श्रीनाथ जी वाला श्रीनाथ जी
आठ समानी जाके रे करो
आठ समानी जाके रे करो
है करो रे निर्धार
ओ वाला श्रीनाथ जी वाला श्रीनाथ जी दर्शन दे जोने वाला श्रीनाथ जी
मेवाड़ वाड़ा हो श्रीनाथ जी हैया मराठी मेरो हो मंगलकारी कृष्ण मुरारी राधा जी न सुख रे धाम हो
राम दिवस मारे सबरन करबो रात दिवस मारे सबरन करबो बस इच मारो का ओ वाला श्रीनाथ जी वाला श्रीनाथ जी दर्शन दे जोने वाला श्रीनाथ जी
श्री जी बाबा तो प्राण थकी भावरे पार हो
समरन कीर्तन पाद सेवा
समरन कीर्तन पद सेवा बस जे हमला
बाला श्रीनाथ जी बाला श्रीनाथ जी दर्शन दे जोने बाला श्रीनाथ जी
दीन दयाला वैष्णव वाला हे थे पुकारे सवार हो तारा भरोसे जीवन नैया सौंपे तने पटवा हो
अब गुण बोली मनी शरणों मनी जी
अब गण भूली मन शरणों मने जे बीजी नथी कोई मने आश
बाला श्रीनाथ जी बाला श्रीनाथ जी
दर्शन दे जोने वाला श्रीनाथ जी दर्शन दे जोने वाला श्रीनाथ जी हो वैष्णव बाजे तमिलनाडु बाला श्रीनाथ जी बाला श्रीनाथ जी आठ समानी चाकिरे करो आठ समानी चाकिरे करो हे हाय करो रे निर्दान बाला श्रीनाथ जी बाला श्रीनाथ जी बाला श्रीनाथ जी Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, sharing, liking, sending messages. You all have been very precious for us. I have made, rather I would say, we have made so many new friends. And this Facebook Live Bhajan session, 96 days, I can simply say, has changed our lives as a family. The kind of time that we have spent together, all four of us, has been truly amazing. But nothing is possible without your support. So today, I want to just fold my hands and say Jai Shri Krishna to you all. I haven't ever folded my hands since we started this Bhajan session. So thank you very much with these folded hands to all of you. So we'll take the Aarti, Bhave. Everybody please join us in the Aarti. Then after the Aarti, we will have Ashro. After Ashro, I did not want to make any more speeches after the Ashro. So this is why I think I've said enough. Please join us on Friday, that's day after tomorrow. I'm sorry, I told you it was the last day, but I'm sorry, it's not our last day. On Friday, we have a Shraddhanjali for one of the families in the UK. We will be live on Facebook at 9:30 p.m. Kenya time, which is a 7:30 UK time. This is especially for the family, for their convenience on this timing. From next week, Tuesdays and Saturdays, our times will not change. We'll be live at 8 p.m. There will also be a Zoom session on Friday as well. So if any one of you wishes to be on Zoom at the same time with Facebook, those who are not on Facebook, please do message me so I can send you the details for the Zoom meeting. Very quickly, since we have a minute, I think they're just organizing the Aarti. I will just go through the hosts for tonight. Shilaben and Jagdeep and Morpariya Parivar. Jagdeep, I cannot thank you enough being the chairman of our Haveli. You have always sponsored and hosted our bhajans. Jayanti Lalbhai Sedani Parivar in the loving memory of late Shardaben Jayanti Lalbhai Sedani, who left us 1 month ago. Kishanbhai and Kevalbhai Chandarana. Thank you, Kishanbhai and Kevalbhai. Jayantbhai had mentioned that you wanted to celebrate this, I think on the 3rd or something, I think that was a date. And I requested him that if this is a celebration for a wedding anniversary for Niranjanbhai and Nilamben, this, you would not have a better occasion than this. Nilamben, I hope you enjoyed the request. Bharatbhai and Nishaben Lakhani Parivar. I must say, this family, Bharatbhai and Nishaben, will call us in 1 minute as soon as we have finished our bhajan sessions to let us know how it was. Anilbhai and Anilaben Raitata Parivar. Isha Dodia, thank you Isha, our superstar, thank you very much. Shivan, our youngest host, Shivan Karya from UK. Ghanshyambai and Shobnaben Raitata, thank you. Induben Amritlalbhai, Majithya Parivar. Sejal, thank you very much. I have no words to say. I don't want to mention too much, but thank you very much. Ek Vaishnav Parivar from Australia. Late Ashwinbhai Haribhai Patel Parivar. Thank you Ketanbhai for that hosting. Ek Vaishnav Parivar from UK. Late Sureshbhai Jamnadas Raja and Mrs. Jyotsnaben Raja, thank you. My sister in heaven, late Geetaben Saileshbhai Chotai. My mother in heaven, late Jayaben Damjibhai Mandavya. I don't know how proud she would be of us if she was alive, but I'm sure she's watching us. Radhika, Smitaben and Pareshbhai Sedani Parivar. I'm not going to put you last this time, but you were our first host and you are our last. And I can promise you, you're not going to be our last host. Atulbhai, my brother-in-law, Kalpnaben, thank you very much for your inputs throughout the bhajans and watching us all the time. Dineshbhai and Rajubhai Ganatra Parivar, Pavna Ben Vadera and Ratna Ben Vadera from UK, thank you very much. And Ek Vaishnav Parivar from Kisumu. With those few words, we are doing the Aarti now. Please, if you're at home and if you're live with us, join us in the Aarti, and after that, the Ashro.
ब्रज जन मिल सब मंगल गावत
छवि निरखत नंद लालन की
सब आरती उतारो मेरे लालन की सब आरती उतारो मेरे लालन की मोर मुकुट पीतांबर कुंडल मोर मुकुट पीतांबर कुंडल
मुख पर लाल गुलाबन की सब आरती उतारो
कृष्णदास बलिहारी छवि पे
कृष्ण कन्हैया
कृष्ण कन्हैया लालन की
सब आरती उतारो मेरे लालन की
सब आरती उतारो मेरे लालन की
बोलो श्री गोवर्धन नाथ की जय। श्याम सुंदर श्री अम्ने महारानी की जय। श्री वल्लभाधि श्री बाल कृष्ण लाल की जय। श्री गोसाई जी परम दयाल की जय।
जजैन चरणन केरो भरोसो जजैन चरणन केरो
बढ़हिन चरणन केरो भरोसो बढ़हिन चरणन केरो।
श्री वल्लभ नखचंद्र जटाविन सब जग तेरो।
श्री वल्लभ नखचंद्र जटाविन सब जग माहे अंधेरो।
जजैन चरणन केरो भरोसो जजैन चरणन केरो।
बढ़हिन चरणन केरो भरोसो बढ़हिन चरणन केरो।
साधन और नहीं अकली में जासो यनिवेरो।
साधन और नहीं अकली में जो सो होय निवेरो।
सुर कहा कहे जीवित आदरो।
हे सुर कहाँ कहे त्रिविध आदरो।
बिना बोल को चेरो भरोसो जजैन चरणन केरो।
बढ़हिन चरणन केरो भरोसो बढ़हिन चरण हो बढ़हिन चरणन बढ़हिन चरणन केरो। Thank you everyone for watching us live Facebook 8 p.m. Kenya time for the last 96 days. See you all again on Friday. All those who have a chance to join us, please do join us on Friday. Same 9:30 p.m. Kenya time, 7:30 p.m. UK time. We'll see you then. With those few words, Nikita, we really miss you. Jai Shri Krishna.